Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exiting Highway 2000 and heading towards Tollgate. This is actually the Tollgate exit. It's just a coincidence that they have built a toll plaza at a place called Tollgate. But this is where you exit to go on to the main road from the highway. Now, ever since the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 was built, the areas along the main road like Clarendon Park, Porus, Osborne Store have seen a significant decline in business. The business operators, especially the food and bar establishments and even gas stations, have seen a significant decline. Now, what can be done? What do you guys think can be done to help these areas? And actually, one project keeps coming to mind, and that is the Vernam Field Logistics Hub. Now, there is a massive airport or runway in Clarendon at Vernam Field. Massive. It's the longest runway in Jamaica. I mean, there's so much. The airport is built on 2,000 acres of land. But it's not operating. It was used by the U.S. Air Force back in World War II, and the base closed in 1949. And ever since then, the runway has just been there, and they actually use it to race cars. Now, this runway is much bigger than the other runways in Jamaica. So the government had planned to set up like a logistics hub in Vernam Field. They actually planned to build a city around the airport, similar to what they are actually doing at Bernard Lodge. So you'd have commercial, residential, farmland. And the planned development of Vernam Field was part of a broader initiative to establish Jamaica as a global logistics hub. And there was even talk of building a city around it. But nothing has happened to date. Now, the Vernam Field project is a part of the government's 2030 initiative. And because of Jamaica's geographic location, you could easily set up Vernam Field as a logistics hub, especially for cargo. Build an airport there and have massive cargo facilities, and you're good to go. And the land is there, the runway is there, everything is there. It's just, I would imagine it's the funding. But this project could easily put this area of Clarendon back on the map. Now, other things that can be done outside of the Vernam Field project is you can set up residential developments like Innswood. Innswood has a lot of residential developments. Even Bernard Lodge has 15,000 homes being built. There's a lot of land here, and with access to the highway, especially in Tollgate, those residences would do very well. The same thing happened in Old Harbour. They set up a lot of residential developments because of the highway. And a third thing that could be done out here, although this probably will be done closer to the Maypen side, is commercial developments, massive warehouses, etc. Because the warehouses in Jamaica now, the locations are mostly Kingston, and then you have a lot being built in St. Catherine, like the Bernard Lodge area. You have the 876 complex by Mandela. But though St. Catherine is such a developing area that those warehouses will mostly serve those areas. Portmore, oh my gosh, the amount of developments in Portmore. So you're going to find that as the southern parishes like Clarendon, Mandeville, St. Elizabeth, Savlamar, well, Savlamar probably will be more serviced by Montego Bay. those areas are going to need warehouses because developments are going on everywhere. So those are some suggestions, guys. What do you think could be done for these areas to help with what's going on and take advantage of the highway and etc.? But I think the biggest project by far would be the Vernam Field Logistics Hub. And if they were to duplicate what they're doing at Bernard Lodge to put in the residential homes, the commercial business places, and build it around the Vernam Field Airport, then that should do very well. Alright, guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.